Everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a party chat on your Xbox app from your Android phone. So you can go ahead and start talking to your friends who are on their Xbox One or Xbox Series X, and this is really easy. Just sign into your same account that you're signed into your Xbox, and your friends list will show up under here. So on the bottom here, you can see the home button, but we want to go over to our friends list, the little people icon down here. Now on the top, you can see social. But we can go on over to parties right here. And then we can go to start party. Otherwise, you can click the little headset icon in the upper right. Then we can go to start party. And then we can send a party chat to someone. Otherwise, you can go to skip on the bottom. So if I go to skip, I'm going to start a party by myself where I can add people later on. I can mute my mic right here, so if I don't want to speak to people. Then we have the text chat right here. The three little lines, let's press this. We have mute party, make party invite only. So let's do this. So people can't just randomly join. Then we have add people, leave party. And then the down arrow, let's press this. It's going to bring us back to this page where we can navigate through the Xbox app. So this is pretty straightforward. Make sure your microphone isn't muted so you can start speaking to people with your phone microphone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.